Hello, children. I hope you all are fine. I'm sure you must be missing your school and your friends. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Let's listen to a story of a true friend. Rahul and Raj were best friends studying in class 4th. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. Raj was good at both. They often had a cycling contest. Raj always managed to win. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. The sports day was near. Everyone was practicing for it. Rahul was determined to win. One day, before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. He dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. When the race started, Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. Rahul overtook him and he won the first prize. He took the trophy home. But he felt guilty and could not sleep properly that night. Next morning, he went to the principal's room and admitted his mistake. The principal said, "I'm happy that you have realized your fault, Rahul. You should make friends with Raj and promise me that you will not betray him again. Besides, you must study very hard and secure good marks like your friend." Rahul went to Raj and apologized to him from the core of his heart. Raj forgave him and agreed to be friends with him again. After some days, a class test was held. Rahul gave a poor performance. He managed to score very less marks. His principal said, "This is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term and examination also, you will be punished." Rahul was ashamed of himself and cried bitterly. Raj came to him and said, "Rahul, do not worry. This is just a class test. Start studying well and work hard from now onwards. If you do so, you will do much better in the term and exams." Rahul thanked Raj. He worked hard. Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. When the term and examination result was announced, everyone was surprised to see that he had not only topped in the class but beaten Raj as well. Raj was the first one to congratulate him. Indeed, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj, who had stood second. His principal was also very happy with their results. After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends ever after. Children, what do you learn from this story? We should be loyal to our friends and support them. I hope you enjoyed and understood this story. Now let's have a look at the new words and their meanings we learned in this lesson. Determine, strong-minded. Betray, deceive. Injured, hurt. Deserve, to be worthy of. Here is a small home task for you. Read the story from your English reader book and make a list of all the new words that you have learned today. Bye.